If you hold crypto in the UK, HMRC is already interested. At Koinly, we've been working with UK investors since 2018, tracking every single policy change and platform shift. We fact-check the latest guidance so you don't have to. And today, we'll give you the essentials of UK crypto tax in 2026. Before we go any further, I just want to say that this video is for education only, accurate for 2026. Tax outcomes depend on your personal circumstances. Always check HMRC's current guidance or speak to a professional advisor. For examples and deep dives, head to the full UK crypto tax guide, which I'll leave down below. Okay, the good news for this tax year, there is no mid-year rate change to navigate. For the 2025-2026 tax year, capital gains tax on crypto is charged at either 18% or 24%, depending on whether you're a basic or higher rate taxpayer. And that comes with a £3,000 tax-free allowance before any CGT applies. So no complicated split calculations this year, straightforward rates across the board. Now, exchanges like Coinbase or Uphold often only keep history for a year, so relying on them isn't really safe. This is where a tool like Koinly comes in to help. Koinly connects with countless exchanges, wallets, and blockchains, including Kraken, Gemini, Bitstamp, Revolut, and many more. It automatically imports your transactions, applies HMRC's Share Pooling rules, and calculates your capital gains, income, and losses. With one click, you can download an HMRC ready summary and any other information you might need for your taxes. So once you review your transactions and you're happy with your tax summary, you can go ahead and download the HMRC summary report. In your report, you'll see all the figures you need to file your self-assessment tax return. Okay, so let's walk through exactly how to file your gains and losses using Koinly's HMRC summary report. Okay, at the bottom of the screen, select yes where it says if you disposed of any chargeable assets or any chargeable gains, and so on. Okay, then we want to select save and continue. Fill out the next page as it pertains to your circumstances. And then you want to select save and continue. Okay, on the file your return page under capital gains, select enter details of your disposed chargeable assets. Okay, on the next page, select yes or no as it pertains to your situation. Okay, for any losses deducted, select no. For are your taxable gains more than £3,000, select yes or no as it pertains to your situation. Okay, then we want to select save and continue. On the next page, you want to select yes or no, once again, as it pertains to your circumstances, and then click save and continue. Okay, now use the figures from your Koinly HMRC summary to fill in the next page. For number of disposals, copy and paste the figure on line 13.1 from your Koinly report. For disposal proceeds, copy and paste the figure on line 13.2 from your Koinly report. For allowable costs, copy and paste the figure on line 13.3 from your Koinly report. For gains in the year before losses, copy and paste the figure on line 13.4 from your Koinly report. Okay, for losses in the year, copy and paste the figure on line 13.5 from your Koinly report. Fill out the rest of the page as it pertains to your situation, and do so for the next page if need be. And then on the attachments page, you can upload your Koinly HMRC report if you wish to. Alrighty, so there you have it. Keep in mind that information on this subject is always changing, so be sure to check out our blog regularly, updated by our content team for the latest information. For more guides, comparisons, and crypto taxes, visit Koinly. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like, subscribe for more crypto content. I'll leave a bunch of different resources down below if you're still having any issues. Alright, see you in the next video.